Thus, now one person has been confirmed dead and 2 others nursing serious injuries in Kisauni, Mombasa, in the latest wave of attacks by unknown persons. The 3 were attacked last night at Kiembeni area. The latest incident brings the death toll to 4 people in the last 2 days. And as our Coast Region reporter Francis Mtalaki reports, the incident has now put human rights activists and police on a collision.
In less than 48 hours, 4 people have lost their lives in Kisauni, Mombasa County, with 2 others nursing serious injuries at the Coast General Hospital. This brought about by the resurgence of criminal gangs in the area. The latest attack took place Friday night at Kiembeni area, hours after 3 teenagers suspected of being gangsters were gunned down by the police. According to security apparatus, the slain youths were involved in violent criminal activities and terrorizing residents of Utange, Kisauni constituency.
We have not targeted killings, and we don't intend to start that because we have no reason to do that.
It is that responsibility that has put the police and the human rights groups at loggerheads.
Polisi wamezembea kikazi.
They either lack the will or the capacity to address this problem.
We should not take advantage just because that somebody is agitating for criminals.
Wanapiga vijana marisasi wakiwaua, na saizi pia vijana ni kama wako wild, wametoka wako mashinani na wanaumiza watu.
We are not there to kill, but if the police officer faces imminent danger with those who are around, it is the responsibility of a police officer to ensure his life and the life of that who is next to him is protected by him.
The differences between the police and rights groups have seen cases of insecurity rising again, especially in Kisauni area. Most of the gangsters are said to be youngsters.
Tunapinga vitendo hivi na tunataka serikali ichukue mikakati kabambe.
When a police officer was killed recently and everybody was quiet as if nothing had happened, and that family lost a person they depended, where were those 2 organizations?
Parents, religious leaders, village elders and local leaders have also been blamed for not taking up their roles in making sure that the vice has been dealt with.
We as a society, we have become so rotten ya kuwa mpaka sasa hivi mzazi yuko radhi na kusema ya kuwa nashukuru Mwenyezi Mungu mtoto wangu amefariki.
Francis Mtalaki, KTN News, Mombasa.